That is really nice though, for all the storage. But yeah, you just put stuff away, it's not out.
You can slightly hear as cars go by.
A couple units open up.
There's also a unit I was in, this is a unit as well.
Okay.
You don't hear anything, which is,
Yeah.
it's they put a full built-in here, a Murphy bed that comes down,
Oh, cool.
instead of stern, so like.
Not too noticeable.
Yes,
That's awesome.
good for guests.
Right, right. Yeah, that's really smart.
Waiting for a train to go by.
So who's got questions? Fire away.
What's the co-op fee? Is that kind of change like per unit or?
So your own shares of the building as a co-op. And then with those shares, you like exclusive right to lease. And pay your co-op fees based on your shares of the building, which is more or less equates to how much space you have. And it's, I think, 12.
Can't hear those cars.
12-ish.
Alright,
So
yeah, I didn't
12-ish.
see it on the, it's not on the website either, so, because I didn't even know about it until Karina mentioned something.
And that includes the real estate taxes as well,
Okay.
so which bumps it up a couple $100 a month.
Right.
There also is because it's a co-op, you lease a building.
Right.
So you're also taking.
Could hear that motorcycle a little.
Slight portion of the mortgage on the building, which they can take out to do like their co-op.
Right, right. So now when they decide to do something like that, how does that work?
There's assessments, there's normal assessments, and that co-op fee stays the same. They don't match your mortgage.
You can also see how infrequently the train comes by, because this is, for, at this point, it would branch off for the B line.
Is it like, because
But that's the infrequency for that other Bradford one. Kenmore, it's all the time, and that's over to the right of here.
See, I don't own, I rent, so I don't have any say in that, but the owners, Vanguard who owns the building has a say
that makes sense, yeah.
in how it works.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm just waiting here for a train to go by to have the noise for them, because that's all they really care about.
All right, I don't know that your camera will pick up the noise, but feel free to try.
If it doesn't, then we've succeeded.
All right. Fair enough.
So how are you finding the real estate market right now?
It's incredible, incredible in a weird way, depending on what's on the table or not. There's little inventory and there's a ton of demand, which is pushing almost every move-in rate property above asking. As the weather gets warmer, properties come on, which helps level off. Otherwise, that might feel good. But it's been absolutely crazy for the last couple months. Yeah. Don't even bother trying to find all cash, rates are high, it's low.
Have you guys had any bids on the property yet?
To my knowledge, no offers.
There's a couple other units building I saw come up.
It's gonna have a problem. The only issue that these units can sometimes have is there's co-op, so the fee, if you do all the numbers, you're working with the fee.
Long time no see.
Ask something again, just escape me. There's a parking search, you know, we're doing a parking search.
It's jacked up.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah, I totally forgot.
Yeah, Meredith on Monday, it's not a good day to be coming into this area. Feel free
It's
to
very nice.
look around.
Oh, so it's actually
Karina, do you know how big, what was the, like, pet allowances, like, let's see, they have,
I'm sure that owners can have that.
in one of these three set babies. Oh, cool.
I don't know if you ever read that.
Still waiting for a train for you.
Really?
So you cannot progress to unregistered.
Yep. Definitely say, yeah.
Which I think will. So I everybody can go. I've told them to go to a couple weekends, so I'm pretty familiar with it, but I really didn't teach them for this. So, I think it was the one project, right, that you were trying to finish, something in the garage.
The pool. They were talking about something in the garage, I don't know what it was.
There was, I think there's a,
There was a leak in the pool.
yeah.
But that's why we're doing the pool, so I don't think that's in the garage. Yeah.
We were starting to say, Jeff,
So you can hear when motorcycles go by.
I'll send you an example that I did want you to please. It actually, I did so terrible because I was saying to like, big companies, price. There's a hundred times a cave, different things, some people find it bigger, but you will not find the garage most likely, you will not find the service. So when you look at the like, sort of travel, if you can't see, or the country somewhere else plus tax, plus whatever else you might be paying, like parking, et cetera, it's so comparable. Like, for instance, I had, when I was selling, we were, let's say, 300 condos in the area. If you added up all those things, together with the condo fee, it was like $900 the same. And you would be paying per month anyway. Here, let's say you're paying about 100. I mean, so the fact that you in the middle of a pretty different location with a garage is something that is.
The board may require the resident not have a pet as determined by the board in its sole judgment.
Wow. Crocodile, I mean, that sounds like.
Yeah, it doesn't say like dog,
It-
but
it
it's
actually-
pounds, you know.
Oh, so they, if you
It's
have
just
some,
basically, we can just say whatever, whatever. Yeah.
No, I've seen reasonable pets.
Yeah.
yeah, I mean, of course, you don't want to have like a Siberian Husky or like a Saint Bernard or something.
I have a green husky.
Oh, they're awesome. I just know like big and shit a lot. Siberian Huskies.
I mean, ours was not like.
Hi. Good. I got the camera sitting here just waiting for a train. Like, I'm so bored to sit here. That's all my parents really worry about is the noise and stuff. And that's, they live by it. So, okay. So.
You got where, bro?
So today's one thing, so it's like, so it's pretty nice.
Yeah.
And then we have a fireworks usually.
Yeah.
Like, much, not easier.
Oh, if you guys can close the door, what they want to know is how it'll sound in their bedroom.